To be employed or not to be employed? That is the question. Whether 'tis nobler in the mind to suffer the slings and arrows of outrageous career fortune, or to take resume in hand against a sea of demanding employers, and by applying obtain thy tasks, to work to get paid, no more, and by retiring to say we end the disappointment and the 1,000 rejection letters that the job hunter is destined to, 'tis a consummation devoutly to be wished. To retire, to not work, to retire, perchance to dream. Aye, there's the rub, for in that sleep of retirement what dreams may come when we have shuffled off this bourgeois coil must give us pause. There's the respect that calamity makes of so long a career, for who would bear the whips and scorns of work, the boss's wrong, the proud worker's bravado, the pangs of despised daily tasks, the payday's delay, the insolence of the office, and the spurns that patient merit of the careerist takes when he himself might his quietest make with any simple job? Who would burdens bear to grunt and sweat under a weary life, but that the dread of something after work, the undiscovered country, from whose bourne no traveler returns, puzzles the will and makes us rather bear those ills we have than fly to others that we know not of. Thus conscience does make cowards of us all, and thus the native hue of resolution is sicklied over, with the pale cast of thought, and enterprises of great pitch and moment, with this regard their currents turn awry and lose the name of vocation. Be understanding of me, the fair employer. Lawrence, in thy final test, next week from 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. in class, be all my sins remembered.